What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Well, Pepe, does it have more mileage? Is Pepe done? Well, we're going to break it down in this video. We're going to talk about exactly what my views is. And did Coinbase drop a little sneaky hint of something that might be coming very soon? Well, we'll break that down as well. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. We've been talking about Pepe as well as the other meme coins in the space, and we've called some pretty good ones recently. So like I said, make sure you subscribe, leave a like on this video. And I imagine everybody is feeling pretty much like this right now. If you're holding Pepe, we are seeing we did see a rather aggressive pullback on the back of that Binance listing. Now, to context, we did see a big pullback in the overall cryptocurrency market, but Pepe is by no exception, down 31% on the day. Now, for anyone who's been around in the meme coin space for a while, or particularly the small cap community space, we know that 30% is the new 3%. It's the new 4%, where you've got smaller liquidity pools. Price action tends to be much more volatile. What is interesting, though, still at $1.2 billion of volume. Now, you could take that in a number of different ways, but ultimately, we are still seeing significant volume. What is very interesting is the narrative is shifting, though. Centralized exchanges at nearly $1 billion, decentralized exchanges at 261 million. So that narrative is shifting ever more into a centralized exchange, which I think is also very, very interesting. Now, what else has been going on with Pepe? We'll take a look at the technicals in just 1 second, but a lot of people are ultimately talking about the Pepe peak is in. And I guess for this short-term run, you could argue that maybe it is, but at the same time, we haven't seen anything yet like we saw in a bull market. We've not seen anything that really could solidify Pepe in the cryptocurrency space. Remember, this is still a top 100 cryptocurrency. Whether you like it or not, it is still a top 100 cryptocurrency. So it says here, the article originally appeared in the first move of CoinDesk nearly days later, putting the latest moves in crypto down to the T. What does it say? Well, Pepe coin has finally run out of steam, and if you believe that, $1.2 billion in volume probably tells me something else. Since Binance, the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange, by trading volume listed the Frog Ethereum cryptocurrency on Friday. The token traded around the 5022 at press time, having set a record high of 50431 about 40 minutes after the Binance listed the token. Data from charting platform TradingView shows the volume of news around Pepe peaked with the Binance listing and has since materially declined. This is not uncommon. We saw it with SHIB. We've seen it with a number of other coins that actually we see the listing or we see some big news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. I think what hasn't helped in particular when it comes to Pepe, however, is we've then seen a pretty aggressive push down in the market, about 5% on Bitcoin. But you can see there where we have the volatility listing. Now, what's really interesting though on this chart is the view of it being breaking the trend line. Now, we did see Pepe come all the way down, but it has moved aggressively back up in line with its volume, which, look, if I put my silver hat on, kind of means people are pushing that price and then buying at the bottom. That's just the reality of this. And I think here it says volatility expectations in market leaders Bitcoin and ETH continue to dwindle despite lingering macroeconomic uncertainty. Crypto exchange Derbit's Ether implied expected volatility index reached a lifetime low of 51 over the weekend. So the big coins are holding, whereas the meme space is absolutely struggling. Now, what's really interesting, and I wanted to talk a little bit about this chart. So this is the technicals on Pepe right now. So this was the bottom. We bottomed all the way down here. You can see about 15.3. And then we have set about pumping back up, broken through the 9. What's really interesting though is here, look, this 9 and 20-day EMA cross. Now we're still, very early on in Pepe's life. So look, we'll have to see how this cross, but this is a bullish pattern. The parabolic SAR is bullish. The MACD is bullish as well. And we are seeing these dips being bought quite aggressively. So we're looking to the 202 line, hold that support before pushing up. And remember, for us in the UK, it's been a bank holiday. It's been a bit slow in the overall market. But Pepe right now coming back down 5.4. Remember, this was about 30% at one point. So actually looking pretty solid. If we can hold the 2s, could start to be a very interesting run back up for Pepe. Now, if we take a look at one of the other things I just wanted to show you, particularly when we talk about memes, just to get some context behind this, a lot of people still are in a world where the end is near and it's all coming out. But look at this. We're still up 24% in trading volume of meme coins as we've seen Bitcoin dominance drop to 46.9%. And again, to give you another level of confidence, 62 gainers today, 279 losses. If you're taking the BTC ecosystem, the percentage is even worse, as well as a number of other coins. So actually, it's all relative and it is all very well context. So What did we get from Coinbase? That's the big question. Coinbase could be the next big thing for Pepe. I've said on my live streams, remember 4 p.m. Eastern, come and check them out. I do believe Coinbase will list Pepe. I just think it's a matter of time. What we have seen though, which is very interesting, is Coinbase have listed SUI, S-U-I. So again, that is a meme coin that has kind of been listed on there. So interesting to see that that's come on to Coinbase assets. But for the first time, Coinbase Twitter given us a little bit of a meme, a little bit of a, hint at maybe something's coming. It says something tells us the sign spin alone place doesn't have your best interests at heart. What does that mean by that? Again, this is kind of almost a bit of a play on a meme coin. You see the jacket as well. So look, time will tell with Coinbase. Look, I think it's a matter of time before they list it. I truly think they can't avoid it. That Pepe it alone is doing as much volume as the entire Coinbase exchange. And look, I think they would be foolish to not. They still have SHIB as a number of others. So time will ultimately tell. But the Pepe reversal is live. It is just about to break into the twos, which is great news on the rampage. Let's see how this pans out. If you want to stay up to date though with the latest with Pepe and all the rest of the cryptocurrency meme space, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Guys, I've been killing it. You know what to do though. We've never hit 1,000 likes on a video, never. And if you made it to the end, definitely be part of those people. Smash the like button. Let's send this video as far as wide. People need to understand that Pepe is not done and Pepe is coming back pretty strong. But as ever, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care now. Bye bye.